Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Today I'm going to show you how to kayak to Chinaman's Hat and hike to the top for those epic views. So let's get started. So we're going to start out in Kailua at Kailua Beach Adventures. This is where we're going to rent our kayaks. These are some of the friendliest people on the island. They're going to help you load up the kayaks on top of your car. And then we're gonna head to Mokulua Regional Park, and that's where we're gonna unload the kayaks and get in the water. Just remember that these suckers are heavy and you are gonna have to drag it across the beach to the water, so try to have somebody there to help you. Once in the water, it's about a 15 to 20 minute kayak depending on your skill level to Chinaman's Hat. Once you get there, just make sure you pull your kayaks up on the rocks. Once there, it's a pretty short hike to the top, about 5 to 10 minutes. You're gonna just scramble up the rocks to the very top. There's also a trail to the right that's a little bit easier if you want to take the easy route. But either way, you're gonna get to some spectacular 360 views at the top. Oh my God. Just be careful coming down. It's a lot harder coming down than it is going up. So take your time, watch your step. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. And if you're looking for more Hawaii content, link is in the description. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.